Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how to forget Bluetooth earbud to our phone. Guys, you have connected any earbud, any Bluetooth device, and friends you want to forget this device. So then how can you forget in your Infinix phone? In this video friends I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So when we will on our phone setting to forget our Bluetooth earbud, then guys we will scroll it. Friends, you can see your connection setting. Friends, tap here, and friends, you can see your phone Bluetooth setting here. So guys, tap here. So friends, you can see guys, we have connected this Preton TWS company Bluetooth earbud. Friends, we want to forget. So right side this icon, tap here. Friends, you can see this icon, tap here. Friends, you want to change your device name, so as you can change from here, guys. So we want to forget. So as you can see, forget option, tap here. Forget device, yes, forget device. So you will click here to forget. Then guys, we cannot use this here, but guys, if you use, you will have to connect again. So like that guys, you can forget your Bluetooth earbuds to your phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye friend, before going please go and like the video.